Lift the arms on the valve assembly to remove the cap from the main valve. Then connect your water source. Open the main valve. Pull the knife valve knob towards you for the tank you'll be using. Open the fill valve for that same tank. Now turn on the water source. The operator must maintain a watch to ensure tanks are not overfilled. When fill is completed, turn off the water source and close the fill valve for the tank that was used. Then push the knife valve knob in. Replace the cap and close the arms to secure it in place. Close the main valve.